Hey everyone, this is Kenny from Flytime RC. We're going to do a quick flight today. We're going to be flying a few different planes. It's my birthday today, so we're going to fly all of my favorite planes. All these planes we're flying today, you guys haven't seen yet. I'll have a bunch of upcoming videos of all the planes we're going to be flying today, probably in the next few weeks or so. I've got a lot of videos saved up. So today we're going to be flying my Speed V-tail. This is my newest one, which you'll see in the future. I'm running the badass 2350 kV motor, 4-cell LiPo with a 7x6 prop. This is the first time I'm running a 7x6 prop on this plane. I was running the 7x5, which is pretty insane, so this should be even crazier. It's gonna be fun. Let's get it up in the air. Thing's definitely fast. Don't touch the screen. Doing some flips and rolls with the FPV plane just for fun. Definitely not what I'm going to be doing with it when I actually get set up for FPV, but it's cool to see the capabilities of this plane. Just flying it at about, I don't know, 45-50% throttle. Just a little fly in it.